Meet the crew a la ponytails. This is Miss Niecy. Niecy! Niece. She doesn't want to turn around because she's too busy eating her hay. This is my mare, Val. Say hi to the FOBs, Val. Val. Valley, say hi. Miss Cranky Pants. Miss Cranky Pants, Miss Dirty Pants. Look at you. This is my mare, Sunny. Say hi, Sunny. Val's jealous. Look at how fat Sunny is. She's my porker. This is Bo. This is my 26-year-old stud. Bobo's. Bo, pick your head up. That's Bobo's. He's gonna kiss the camera. Boink. This is Annie. Hello, Annie. You wanna kiss the camera too? You wanna kiss the camera? She gonna sniff it? And last but certainly not least, the Mini-Mins. Say hi, girls. They're like two peas in a pod. Literally. And for all you hay-loving people out there, which I guess you really can't get a good look at this hay from the video, but it's really nice. If I get a shot of it in the hay net, maybe. And Val's butt, and Val's gonna pee right on camera. We don't want to watch that, so we'll go over to Niecy. Niecy! Niecy's just munching up a storm over there. That's what you like to see, a horse eating. Hi, Niecy.